का नेट थोड़ा अनस्टेबल है तो आप फिर से स्टार्ट करोगे? फिर से।
So because of the potential difference, the plates got charged, plus and negative. Okay, there is electric field, there is potential energy, everything is well understood. Now when you connect the two plates with the terminals of the voltmeter is a device which is used to measure the potential difference of any two different points. तो इलेक्ट्रिकल पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस कैलकुलेट करने के लिए एक डिवाइस है वोल्टमीटर which gives you the reading. Now you can see the reading is full scale. Okay. Now the moment you insert a dielectric, the voltage decreases. Why does it decrease? Because the electric field between the two plates has decreased. By what factor does it decrease? It decreases by a factor of K. What is K? K is dielectric constant. And the value of K is always more than 1 if the medium is non-conducting. That means it is a insulator. Other than vacuum, all materials will have dielectric constant more than 1. So when potential difference decreases, there is no difference in the charge, but potential difference decreases by a factor of K. So the capacitance increases by a factor of K. You can see that. So the reason is the electric field between the two plates become what? Electric field between the two plates become weaker in this case. Okay. Now, what does it mean? If you increase the capacitance by a factor of K, it means that now you can store more charge with the same potential difference, or you can have more energy stored for same potential difference. Okay. Now it has more capacity to store more energy. Is it clear? This is what it signifies. Now the purpose of a dielectric is threefold. One is that it increases the capacitance. Then it also helps us increase the operating voltage. Now, I hope we have already discussed what is the concept of maximum operating voltage. If you keep on increasing the potential difference across the plates, what happens is that electric field also keeps on increasing. And a stage might come when this dielectric will start conduction through itself. That means there will be dielectric breakdown. The polar molecules itself will break down. Okay. So if you insert a dielectric, it will increase the maximum operating voltage by k times. So अगर आपने let's say water रख दिया बीच में, now you can have 80 times more potential difference between the two. It also helps you to provide some mechanical support. That means you can maintain the separation between the plates. They will not come into physical contact. तो आपने बीच में वैक्स पेपर इंसर्ट कर दिया, तो वैक्स पेपर की थिकनेस इज लाइक इन फ्यू माइक्रोमीटर्स. तो इतना कम डिस्टेंस पे जब तुम उसको प्लेस करोगे तो कैपेसिटेंस विल इंक्रीज बाय फैक्टर ऑफ so let us try to understand what is the effect of dielectric being inserted in terms of the magnitude of the dielectric constant. ओके तो वो कैसे इफेक्ट करता है, कैसे चार्ज इंड्यूस होता है, दैट वी विल सी इन दिस स्लाइड. ओके. पोलर डाइलेक्ट्रिक का माइक्रोस्कोपिक व्यू दिखा रहे थे. Actually, this capsule kind of thing that you see is basically a dipole, which is a constituent of the dielectric. जैसे वाटर का मॉलिक्यूल है, तो वाटर मॉलिक्यूल में क्या होता है, एक डाइपोल होता है. तो देर इज रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ चार्ज. नेगेटिव चार्ज का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन अलग पॉइंट पे होता है, पॉजिटिव चार्ज का अलग पॉइंट पे होता है. तो हियर यू कैन सी दैट एवरी dipole is pointing in random direction. So the dipole moment is randomly oriented of every constituent dipole of the dielectric. तो dielectric में ऐसे करोड्स एंड करोड्स ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स होंगे, हर मॉलिक्यूल का एक डाइपोल मोमेंट होगा. बट ओवरऑल अगर आप देखोगे तो नेट डाइपोल मोमेंट विल बी जीरो. ओके, दिस इज इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. So the moment you apply external electric field, as you can see here, what will happen is that there will be, you can say, most of the dipoles of the constituent molecules will orient itself in the direction of the electric field. You know that torque is experienced by a dipole when it is kept in an electric field. So now